Today I'm showing you how to add a landing page on Squarespace. I'll be working in Squarespace 7.1. First, click Pages in the left sidebar of your dashboard. The Pages panel opens showing all your existing pages organized in sections. Find the Not Linked section. This is where you want to create your landing page so it stays out of your main navigation. Click the plus icon next to Not Linked. You'll see a menu appear with different page type options. Click Blank to add a blank page. A prompt appears asking you to name your page. Enter a title that reflects your offer, something like newsletter, sign up, or free guide. Once you've named it, click Edit on your new page in the Pages panel. The page editor opens with a blank canvas ready to go. Click Add Section to add your first content area. A panel slides in from the left showing section categories and templates. After you've added a section, click Add Block inside that section. This is where you'll build out your landing page content, add text, blocks, images, forms, buttons, whatever you need. Keep adding sections and blocks until your page is complete. If you want to style a section, hover over it and click the pencil icon that appears in the top right corner. From there, you can click Background to add an image or video, or click Colors to change the background color. This step is optional. Now for the essential part, hiding the header and footer. Go back to your Pages panel and find your landing page. Click the gear icon next to the page name to open the settings. Then, click the Navigation tab at the top. You'll see two toggles labeled Show Header and Show Footer. Turn both of these off. Watch your page preview, the header and footer disappear, keeping visitors focused on your call to action. Click Save to close the page settings, then click Save again in the page editor to save all your changes. A few quick tips. You can customize your landing page's URL slug in the page settings to create a cleaner link for your campaigns. Each page also has its own SEO settings. Set a custom SEO title, meta description, and social share image in the page settings to optimize how your landing page appears in search results and when shared. Keep the page in the Not Linked section so it doesn't appear in your site navigation. But if you want this landing page to be your homepage, you can set it as your homepage in the site settings. The direct URL is what you'll share in your ads, emails, or social posts. That's it. You now have a focused landing page ready to drive conversions.